Hello everybody, welcome to this online course on mobile graphic workshop. So today we'll be taking on the graphics on using Canva app. So this is what they call Canva application, is for online graphic design for anybody to use and design any sort of graphics. You can see that Facebook, Instagram story, animation, Facebook cover, so whatever form of design you want to make, the templates are here: flyers, invitation card, even down to your ebook cover. Or if you're a blogger, there are images here, there are templates here you can use to make pictures for your blog. So these are excuse me, so these are CD cover, so ebook, book cover, you're writing a book, Facebook video. So there are many templates here you can modify and use as we looked at in the other app. So but for now, what we're going to do first is to do our own simple design. Then the next course we now use any of the templates and modify them and use. So what you're going to do now is to click on the right down corner here, this plus sign, as you did the other app. Click on the down corner here. When you click on it, it means you want to make your own design. So you can see this is Instagram post, because this is Instagram story, this is Facebook cover, this is WhatsApp story, this is Twitter. I see different formats, blog graphics. So these are different format, blogging. So these are different formats you want to do. So let's watch and see. Let's see. Okay, let's do on Instagram. So we are selecting this one. So you can see the good sign on top. You can just click. We are selecting this now. When you click on it, you have selected this. Now this is an empty page. So as we used to do before, we can just say, you can see where the right photos. Canva also have hundreds of thousands of pictures you can use on your phone, hundreds of thousands of pictures like we have on the Adobe Spark. So these are hundreds. But one thing you will notice in Canva and Adobe Spark is that most of there is a premium app for you to use. There is a free one and there is a premium one, that is paid one. So some of the features you might be seeing, you can see the one on has a king cap around it is a paid image. So once you use it, you can't really export your design. You can't export your design. So you have to find, these are your own picture on your phone, or you download another pictures. I gave you another video on the 4 kinds of websites, 4 different websites where you can get resources of what you want. Those videos, watch those videos, you can find images and different things you need for your design work. So when you get those videos, you watch them, go to different sites and download professional pictures for your design too. So as you can see, there are many pictures here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use one as a sample of our design. Okay, let's use this. Okay, we can use this too. When you're done, you can just click good by the left corner, the extreme left corner. You can click good. We have selected this. So how do you add something on this picture now? You can just, you see the plus sign by the down right corner here. When you click on it, you will see your text, your image. You want to add another image on top of this image. You want to add a video on this image. You want to add a sticker, in illustration, template. You want to demarcate this template. You want to add your logo. There are different pages. So what you're going to do is we're going to write something. There are different format of words, of written words already that you can choose from, like this, as you can see. There are different formats you can choose from, or you can write your own. When you click on this, add some text to of your own. When you click on, you can see your own text is here. You can add your own text. Okay, let's say May. In May, you can now increase. You can increase the font of what you are doing. Maybe I would say 150. 300. I want to change the font. Also in font, there are different fonts. You can see the font, the one with the king cap on it. Those fonts are, you might not use them on your own. You have to go for the one that are free, that without those sign on it. So you can see there are different fonts available for you to use. That's why I told you I love Canva. Canva is good. It's really most of my design. That's what I do with. So you can see different designs, different font you can use. There are thousands of them. So it depends on the one you like. So you can make use of them. Okay. Let me choose this. I'm choosing this now. Okay, let me check this too. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. So when you are done, you click on good. This good by the right side here. You can now change the color. You can any color you like. There are different colors. The different colors. So you can select this color now. This by this plus sign, what it means, you can adjust the color texture, as you can see. Adjust the color texture. You can adjust the color texture here. Okay, let's use this color now. So you can see me. I want to write another word, add another letter on it. I want to add another word on top of it. What you're going to write is hello May. Hello May. Hello. So I'm going to use another font that is kind of crazy. Okay, let's test this.
Come, let me clean your bumble. Come, let me clean your bumble. Oh?
Can select change the font to. Okay, let me use adventure. Okay, you can see is out. You can see Canva gives you when you're pushing your images around, it gives you lines of your alignment. You can know when it is on a straight line. You can see when you move it around, it shows you that this is on a straight line now. That's how you also know when your design is out of alignment. You can see everything is on a straight line because of these lines available. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change the word on top. Find a better black. If I use black, okay, I'm going to use the same color. I'm going to use, it's already white on top. If I use colored, let me use colored lines. Sorry. You can reduce that. Mark good. So you can do your own color and see how it looks like, and There are different colors. You can just test around and see how it looks like when you use them. So let's still go with black and mark good. So you can see now I'm going to write another things under them. Okay, these I'm doing for our company, the Nation Web. So I'm going to write some our services we offer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write something here. I'm going to write what we offer. Website design. So we build professional website for our clients. So if you need a website, you can let us know. We'll do that for you. So I'm going to change it to black since we are using something. So there's nothing I'm going to add now that will make okay, now let me show you what some features to add to. You can see I'm going to put illustration. When I go to illustration, there are different illustration you can use. But when I go to shape, you can see shape here. You can add your own shape, kind of shape, kind of whatever on your design. I'm looking for a square. Okay. When I click on a square, it gives you something like this. You can also, I want to construct something with this. I want to construct something with this. So I am rotating this. You can see the rotation, this thing beside it. You can rotate your this thing. You can rotate it on a straight line now. You can see I rotated it. Even as you are rotating it, you will still be marking to show you is good on a straight line. So when I rotate it, I'm going to put it by the side here. You have to carefully do it. So you can mark good. You can see I separated I want to use this as a separator for what I'm writing between the other one. So when I mark good here, I can click on the same word I have before and duplicate it. You can see this double block on top by the corner of the delete button. When you click on that, click on it, you could duplicate this one, so you don't need to start writing again. So you duplicate the other one and put your own words again. Web hosting. So we do web hosting too. You mark good on top. You continue. What I'm going to duplicate again is the separator I have. I'm going to duplicate it again. I separate it with this. I'm going to duplicate the word too. So I have to make sure these things are in alignment. The separator I did is matching the other one. So you separate the word and duplicate the word again. These I'm showing the services we are offering, so you can do that with your own business that you are doing. It's a graphics design. So you need to align them properly. You can see I've done that. So I'm still going to do more. Align, bring those ones down and put, okay, training. We offer different kinds of training. Okay, let me just write this. Software development. So we offer software development services. So now I'm going to bring down the separator. You bring down the separator down. I'm trying to align it, so most times this is going to take you some time. So that's why I'm doing using my time to make it. So when you're doing yours, you can still take your time and do your work and make it good for your clients. You can see this is looking good now. So this is how you can do your own work. And let's say training. Let me be very fast so that we can I don't want the video to be too long, so you can put your own, duplicate another separator, and put it. You can see I'm trying to make everything align, equal sizes, so that there would not be, this is hand screen, not mouse, so you need to be careful and make it align properly. So with this, you can, let me do the last one, then I will do other things to, although I'm going to pause the video so that you can, I'll come back again and see what I've done. I don't think that will be good, but let me just continue. How long the video is, people will take it that way. Okay, next thing is a bulk SMS. There are many of them. I cannot start listing all of them. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to do something. So I'm going to add our contacts. You can call, you can WhatsApp. So what do you do when it comes to Illustrator? Let me go back. When it comes to adding those stuff, when it comes to Illustrator here, you search what you want. You can say WhatsApp. It will give you icon of WhatsApp you can use for the design. You can see there are different icons of WhatsApp you can use. So when you click on them, you can just by the corner here minimize it and put it down. Then you can duplicate a word too and use it for your number. So when you write, okay, this is my business WhatsApp number, so you can WhatsApp me at any time. If you need help in any way, WhatsApp me so we can talk concerning business. So you can see I added my WhatsApp number to the Illustrator. I'm going to put something else. Okay, this is for tele. If you want to call me, if you want to call, let me phone. You can see phone. You can see their phone. Okay, this is for call. So if you want to call me, you can also put this. You can see what I did. You can call this. You can call this line. Okay, both of them is for call. I don't want to put the other line. Okay. Anyway, you can take my number 38980699. You can see, you can take this line and call me only for business purpose. So another one, our website, you can see I'm going to add web. I'm just going to type web here and search. You can see web. So you can use, let me use this one. So all these icons here, you can edit the color. You can see the color here is, I'm going to change it to the color we are using for other ones, so it will match. So I'm going to change it to green. So trying to reduce this a little. You can see. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this one and use it for the website link. So you can, whatever you're doing, is that you're doing a posting on your social media, Facebook, Instagram, so you can use this app and do a design for your business. Most times you don't need to hire a graphic designer. I'm not saying their services are not needed, they are needed, but you can do this for yourself and boost your business as a startup. Maybe you're not going to be hiring a graphic designer all the time to do your design, which way you're posting online, mostly digital work. You can use this, and you can also use this for your printing and use it for. So this is what we can do today. Okay, let me add our logo. When I add an image, the logo is so far down, so I'm just gonna sorry about that. So when you go to gallery, you'll see your own phone pictures. Something went wrong, sorry. Go to gallery, you can take it slow. Oh. Okay, I don't know what is wrong. So you can add your own image, your logo or something. So I think something is wrong with this. So let's leave it like this. I don't want the video to be high, to be too long. So you can do this with your phone, and you can see the download button on top. Once you click on it, it will start compiling your design for export. You can see it is done, preparing for design. Oh no, sometimes network can do this. I hope I've not lost my design, sorry. Most times when those things occur, you can likely lose your design, and I'm sorry I've lost my design. So that is another thing you need to teach yourself. When you're doing a design, you need to be clicking good on top to be saving that particular aspect you have done. Each stage you do like this, you click good. Once you have done that, it saves the work. So as I've learned this now, so you're also learning this now from my own work of design. So you can see what I've done already. You can still do your own. And thank you very much.